Good morning, everybody. I am Pradeep Joshi, freelance journalist. You are watching Views of PJ. Sometimes a question arises in our mind what affects our life. After long thinking, we come to conclusion that it is not easy to find out the answer. Thoughts, emotions, decisions are interrelated to our life. Our thoughts affect our emotions. Our emotions affect our decisions. Our decisions affect our life. If we think positively, then our emotions are positive. If our emotions are positive, then our decisions are positive. If our decisions are positive, then our life is positive. So it is necessary for better and enjoyable life. Thank you.